Hello, welcome to LeadMaster. In this tutorial, you will learn how to import contacts and company names into LeadMaster from a spreadsheet. You can use Microsoft Excel on Windows, but if you have Mac or another operating system, that's fine. They all work the same. Here is a sample spreadsheet with a list of contacts. If you do not have your contacts in a spreadsheet, that's okay. You can import them from any application you like into a spreadsheet like this. In LeadMaster, you can import any data you want. It doesn't have to be the fields that you can see here. If you want to import data and do not see it in LeadMaster, all you need to do is create a custom form with the fields you want. To make it easier to match up the fields in the spreadsheet with the fields in the system, we suggest you have the names of the fields, also called the header, on the top of the row, and below that a separate row for every contact you want to enter. Once you have the spreadsheet set up the way you want it, save the file specifically as a CSV file, although the default save may be an Excel file. Scroll down to see the CSV option, otherwise known as comma delimited. If you are using a Microsoft computer, you may see a warning sign that saving with this file type will not retain all of the data in the format. That's okay. Go ahead and click Save. Now that the file is saved, it's time to import it into LeadMaster. Click on the Add Records and Leads menu, then click on Import Records. This is the import wizard and it will guide you through the import process. It's fast and easy. First, select your workgroup. This is a database you are using. Chances are you will only have access to one. Click Next. Then, browse your computer to locate the file you want to import. Click Next. If you are importing the same file format often, for example new leads, you can create a template to speed up the process. The template matches the system to the first name in the import file. This way you don't have any duplicates of any file. This isn't the case here, so we will just click Next. LeadMaster helps you keep track of marketing campaigns so you can do an ROI analysis. If you have a marketing campaign that produces these records, you can select it here. LeadMaster wants to know if the first row in your import spreadsheet has fields names. In this case, it is yes. Let's map the fields in the spreadsheet to the fields in LeadMaster. One by one, select the import field and select the corresponding system field and click Add until you have matched up all of the fields. We've got a few fields that don't have matching fields in the system. This isn't a problem. We can import these to custom forms. Select the custom form you would like to import your data to. Click Next. Just as you did with the import file and system fields, match the import file with the custom form fields and click Next. LeadMaster lets you assign these records right away. If you know the sales rep and partner rep that these records belong to, you can select them now. You can also send an email notification to let the reps know that they have new leads. Click Next. This question is asking you if you'd like to have all of the contacts that work at the same company be imported into a single company record. In this example, let's select No, so that the system will create a unique record for each contact that is listed in the spreadsheet. We are ready to import. If you're planning to import more files that have the same header and file format, you may want to save this as an import template. This will shorten the time it takes to import these additional contacts and records in the future. Click Finish and your import will begin. Now that all of your contacts have been imported, and assuming all of your fields are mapped correctly, this information should look good. But examine a couple of your contacts to ensure that everything imported correctly. To do that, head to the home page and click Go on the Quick Search box. This will bring up records that were entered most recently. Look at a couple of records to make sure that the data imported the way that you want. If you notice any problems, just click Add New Records and Leads, View Imported Records, and click on the Delete button to back out of the import and start over. This concludes the tutorial on importing contact data into LeadMaster. Thanks for watching.